Alright, you'll need a whisk or a spoon, anything you can use to stir your sauce in the pot. A nice pot, of course. Over here, I have ingredients already portioned. We have 32 ounces of distilled white vinegar, 32 ounces of ketchup. I like to use no corn syrup ketchup. 23 ounces of pineapple. We have 2 pounds of light brown sugar, 10 ounces of tomato paste, 5 ounces of soy sauce. And then for our spices, we have, let's see, 1.5 tablespoons of cayenne, 2 tablespoons of ginger powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of ground black pepper, and 0.75 tablespoons of salt. Now I like to start off with my liquids. I have that stove on a high heat. Getting those liquids going and then adding those spices and the sugar after. Make sure that everything blends well. Now we're adding the pineapple juice. Both glasses are pineapple juice. Just 2 glasses just to see the measurements. Soy sauce. Again, the heat is on high. Then we have our ketchup. I mentioned that I like to find ketchup that has no corn syrup in it. It's just a personal thing. Nothing wrong with corn syrup, you know. It's a personal preference. But I try to make my mambo sauce with no corn syrup if possible. No cornstarch either. So we'll start blending things here. I know it doesn't look like much yet, but just you wait. Like growing up, I couldn't help but go down the street and get me some chicken wings and french fries. Every single time. Extra mambo sauce, please. It's even my social media. It's been my social media since high school. Instagram, Twitter. So follow me online. Extra mambo sauce. Let's see your tomato paste. Now it's starting to come together. Once you add that tomato paste, you start seeing something that looks familiar for all you Washingtonians. We're starting to get there. We're starting to get there. Stirring well. Make sure you get those edges, those corners. All these beautiful spices. And everything you see here is things you can find in the grocery store. Very common items, nothing special. You know, there's no secret store somewhere where the chef's not telling you where to get the good stuff. Very easy thing to make at home. This batch right here is enough for you to make for yourself and maybe give some to somebody else. Or keep it all for yourself. Real easy to get hooked. So now it's been about 5 minutes or so, not too long. Just giving it a nice stir. Now that it's nice and warm, I like to add my sugar, light brown sugar. If you want to use granulated white sugar, that's fine. If you want to use the dark sugar or any replacement, that's fine too. Great thing about mambo sauce, I think there's a lot of easy little ways to tweak it and make it yours. because everybody knows there's no real one mambo sauce recipe.
Smell good.
So, after plenty of research and practice, I'm sharing
Oh yeah.
what has been working for me and what we can't get enough
Good.
of.
Hey y'all, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. Make sure you
You see
follow
how
me
thick it
online.
is?
Extra Mambo sauce everywhere. When you make your Mambo sauce at home, add your little twist to it. Record yourself. Put it online. Tag me. I want to see how creative everybody can get. So until next time, Quarantine Kitchen. Adios.
Follow me online. Extra mambo sauce, catering, events, brainstorming. Holla!